strikes 10:15. Rain-slicked pavement reflects the lights again. Standing under the awning of a closed-down arcade. Watching you through the window in the blue neon shade. You're tapping your fingers on a paperback book. Give me just one glance, that's all that it took. The world goes into slow motion, the traffic disappears, and all I can hear is the ringing in my ears. Got this feeling I can't ignore, a feeling I can't fight. Something's gonna happen here tonight, oh tonight. 'Cause you're my neon heartbeat, flashing in the dark. A synth-pop fire, a brand new spark in this electric city under the pale moonlight. Wanna dance with you until the morning light. Oh, my neon heartbeat. I step out from the shadows, my collar to the wind. Don't even know where a story like this should begin.